Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Rawat and I am currently pursuing my MBA in Operation Management. Earlier, I worked as a new process development engineer in the automobile sector, where I got hands on experience in turning ideas into efficient production realities. In this video, I will be talking about the role of an operation manager, a job that's like the engine room in a ship, not always visible from the outside, but absolutely critical. If it stops, the whole ship grinds to a halt. So, when we say operation, it simply means how the work actually gets done inside a company, how we transform raw material, machine, skilled employees, and information into the final product or services that delights the customer. The operation manager owns this entire journey by planning, organizing, and controlling day to day activities on time and at a reasonable cost. In short, this role ensures everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and reliably, keeping the business heartbeat steady. Now, let's dive into the key roles and responsibilities that make this position so dynamic. So the first is process design and improvement. An operation manager map out workflows like the sequence on a factory production line or patient steps from registration to discharge in a hospital. They apply tools like Lean to cut waste or Six Sigma or making everything flow better. This links directly to the role of a capacity and source planning where they forecast demand and decides on staffing machines and shifts. So too little capacity means customer waits in frustration and too much money wasted on idle sources. So using data analytics, they strike that perfect balance. Now, one of the most important role is quality management that sits on the heart of operation, seamlessly connecting to these efforts. They set standards, roll out inspections via TQM, ISO certifications, or controls embedding quality right into processes to minimize complaints and returns. This flows into the role of inventory and supply coordination, which is coordinating with procurement chain teams to make sure materials and components are available at the right time and at the right quantity. This includes monitoring stock levels and reorder points on trying to avoid both stockouts and overstocking. Finally, people management and cross-functional coordination role that ties it all together, leading shop floor teams to with training and safety motivation while syncing with finance, marketing, and HR team. The everyday life of an operation manager is a mix of analyzing numbers, solving problems, coordinating with people, and continuously improving processes. Because this role is so central, an operation manager needs a good mix of technical skills and people skills, all interconnected for real impact. Now let's talk about the skills required. So, for the first, analytical and problem solving skills, operation is full of real time issues, delays, machines, breakdowns, quality problems. An operation manager must be comfortable looking at the data, finding root cause, and coming up with the practical solutions. Knowledge of operations, tools, and techniques. This includes process. This includes process mapping, Lean Sigma, and forecasting, inventory models, project planning. Yes, in today's world, comfort with tools like Excel, dashboards, and ERP systems is very valuable. Third is leadership and communications. Since operation manager handle frontline teams and coordinate with many departments, they need strong leadership and a clear communication skills so that they should be able to explain expectations, handle conflicts, and drive change on the shop floor. Fourth is adaptability and continuous improvement mindset. An operation manager has to be open and innovative and new ways of working and must always look for how can we do this better. All these skills together help an operation manager keep the system stable and improve it for tomorrow. Finally, a quick look at career prospects shows why this role shines. So, demand is very high, sky high across all sectors in operations. So, in manufacturing, operation manager work in automobile plants, FMCG units, pharmaceutical factories, and engineering companies. And in service sector, they are found in hospitals, hotels, banks, telecom, and IT service firms. With the rise of e-commerce in India, there are also many roles in warehouse and last mile delivery operations. In consulting and IT companies, they also hire people with operations skills for process improvement and ERP implementations for their projects. So, experience pulls you to plant manager, head of operations, operation directors, supply chain manager, and CEO. This ground level mastery of business mechanics builds a wrong solid foundation of future general management and leadership positions. So overall, operation management is not just about keeping things running, it is a path that can lead to impactful and well-rounded leadership roles into the long term. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand the role of operation manager, then please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.